Let me give you an idea of some of the most powerful things that are available on a typical WordPress platform because these are the things that will really help make a website sing and dance and do the things that we want it to do. I'm going to start at the dashboard, and I want to pick up just the first product I want to talk about today, and that's Jetpack. Jetpack is a product that is available in any WordPress theme. It's available on the WordPress platform, and it's free, and it has some incredible features. So let's take a look at a couple of those here that can be beneficial. The first thing is that it has this stat capabilities. So when you take a look at the stats, you want to know where your traffic is coming from, what it looks like. I'm actually using a site that's not live, so we'll take a look at how those features work. Scroll back up here and go to the site stats. And when you take a look at the site stats, it gives you an idea of where your traffic's at, where it's coming from, and that kind of a thing. So, and this is really important. If you understand where your traffic's coming from, then you know where to begin to put your efforts and your energy into. So as you look at this, remember, this is a site that's not live, so we now have a whole bunch of stats to take a look at. But when you look across here, you know what days we had high traffic. These were the days when I was actually using the site as a demo site, and so each one of those tells me what kind of traffic I was getting on those days, but more importantly than that, it tells me where they were coming from. Notice this one came from Twitter. That was today. I had somebody who actually clicked on the link because of Twitter, and then yesterday I can scroll back for a day or two and take a look at those things, and I can also summarize that. It tells me what search engine terms are driving traffic for me. I also tell how many clicks are recorded. This person came from Twitter. Did they go any place? Was there anything that they looked at? What was it that happened? That's a very, very important feature for making sure that you understand where your traffic is coming from your site. If you don't know where your traffic is coming from, then you don't know where to put your efforts in at. And so this is a really important plugin. And it's not really a plugin. It actually comes in any standard WordPress theme unless that theme has locked out the capabilities of being able to do that. You need two things in order to make it happen. You need to be able to have a theme that allows you to use Jetpack, and then you also need to have a WordPress.com site or account that allow you to be able to link those two things together. My account is linked to this particular site so that Jetpack works. But Jetpack is a very, very important feature that you want to be able to use in the things that you do in order to keep track of, if nothing more, just your site stats. Now let's take a look at a couple of other features that are available with Jetpack. While we wait for this to load up here, we'll take a look. Let's see, what else do we have that can be beneficial to us on Jetpack? And we'll click on here, all Jetpack features. This likes feature gives us a simple way to show their appreciation for the content. We can actually have them like the content itself. It shows you where you might be able to make your widget visible, to be able to publicize this on social media platforms. The Omni search tells you what people are, if there's search terms that people are typing into your website to look for particular things, that can become helpful. There's a ton of these kinds of features that are available here. One of them is the ability to be able to leave comments using their Twitter, or Facebook, or Google Plus accounts. Those are helpful as well. The extra sidebar widgets, I use this feature a lot. It allows me to be able to add images and Twitter streams and other things. I use it for Facebook streams, other things that you might want to use to attract attention on your site. The other thing that I use a lot is shortcut embeds. It allows me to be able to embed certain YouTube videos, Vimeo videos, slide sharing, those kinds of things with no coding that's necessary. And I like being able to do that as well. So those are the kind of things that can be extremely beneficial to you. And you can see there's a number of other things as well that are included in this. But Jetpack is a powerful tool that's available on the WordPress platform, and we need to be able to find a way to take advantage of that.